What's up, guys? Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a very simple and easy melody you can apply or implement in your worship song, okay, or whenever, or during your worship time, or whenever you are playing worship. Okay, so it's not really something new, but I just decided to share it with you guys. I mean, yeah, and so I just want to say shout out to all beginners and internet players out there. Kudos to you guys. I mean, we're gonna use the key of B, okay, the key B, and for the song progression, okay, so I use a particular track which I would want us to listen to it first, okay, then we move on to the song progression. Okay, so let's listen to the track very well, then we'll move on to the song progression and back to the main agenda for this particular episode. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned and just listen to the track. Okay, yeah, 6 5 4 5 again, 6 5 4 5 la so fa so again, la so fa so la so. See, la so fa so la so fa so. See, 6 5 4 5. So you can see that the progression is very easy, right? It's a very easy progression, right? Just 6 5 4 5 6 5 4 5. Okay, so let's move to the simple. Okay, so that is okay. That is just it. Okay, it's simple. It's not something new. It's not really a new thing. Okay, yes, it's just particular shape, particular form. Just follow this shape, learn this. You can apply this to any worships. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Like I said earlier on, it doesn't matter the song progression. Okay, good. It doesn't matter the song progression. You can apply it. It could be, your song progression could be 4 5 6 6 4 1 1 4 6 4 1 5, whatever it is. Okay, just follow this particular shape pattern. Okay, good. So good. So let's do it again, okay? Then afterwards I'll try to break it down, okay? Break it down very well so that you would, so that it's gonna be kind of easy, okay, for you to learn, okay? So the key is B, like I said earlier on. The key is B, in the song progression. 6 5 4 5, then back to our 6. La, so, fa, so, la, so, fa, so. So that's it. So what I played, this how it goes. Slowly. Sorry. Good. So that is it. Okay, that is what I played. Okay, so now let's move on to the breakdown. I'm gonna break it down very simple. Okay, yeah, that is at the strings. That's how I operate. Okay, I'm gonna break it down very into its simplest form. Okay, so just follow. Okay, good. So it begins like this. 6, la, mi, ti, do, so, re, la, ti, fa, do, so, la, so, re, la, ti, la, mi, ti, do, so, re, so, la, so, re, la, ti, fa, do, so, la, so, re, la, ti, la, mi, ti, do. You see? So, re, so, la. This mistake again. I made a mistake again. Sorry. So, re, la, ti. Okay. This is your yes. La, ti, la, so. This is your so. So, re, la, ti. Right? Fa, do, so, la, so, re, la, ti. Then back to your 6. You see, so that's how it goes. Okay, now using the number system, 6 3 7 1 5 2 6 7 4 1 5 6 5 2 6 7 it's just a particular shape. Okay, once you get that shape, once you get this pattern, then I think you are good to go. Okay, like I said earlier, it doesn't matter the progression of it, doesn't apply only to this song or this chord progression. Okay, 6 5 4 5. No, it applies to it can apply to any, okay, any song progression at all. Okay, doesn't matter even if it's 6 5 4 1, whatever it is. You know the song progression 4 5 6, any at all. Okay, yes. Okay, but this one was a little bit faster, a little bit. It's not like fast, you know, but a little bit. Okay, just because of the it would have been much more better if I used the sound, the track, I mean a slow track, you understand, a track with, you know, this slow tempo, you understand. Yes, so just master it. Okay, let's take it again. See, fa, so, let's go again. See? Okay, so yeah, that's how it is. Okay, the way it is, you know, you see, you could feel it, you could feel the timing, the tempo of this track there, right? So maybe your song, or maybe the song or the track you're using or you're playing might be much more slower than this, okay, than this, right? So you can just have to do it like this. You see? La mi ti do, sorry la ti, fa do so la, sorry la ti. Then the 6. La mi ti do, sorry so la ti, fa do so la. Sorry, la ti, la mi ti do. Sorry, la ti. Slowly. Fa do so la. Sorry, la ti. See? La mi ti do. Sorry, la ti, fa do so la. See? Sorry, la ti, la mi ti do. Okay, so just use it and yeah, just learn this pattern, and I think it will really be of help to you. Okay, I believe you find this very interesting, right? So put down your comment in the comment section. Let me see how you how if it's really of of great help, you know, to you, and think you found this interesting. Put down in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, try to also support this channel, understand? And yeah, so till we meet again in my next episode.